Here we have an aquaponic aeroponic system running. This is a very economical version, and I wanted to make a short video just to show you how the system is working at this point. Today we'll be adding this garbage can and turning it into a biofilter, but that'll be on another video. But for right now, we have a bathtub that has been converted into a fish tank, and inside we have a pump inside of a filter box, and you can't see them because they're hiding, but there's about 30 tilapia inside. They're very small, they're fingerling, and we're going to be growing them up over the next year. And just to show you how the system works, we have the pipe here, which has a relief port on it for right now, since we only have one portion of the Aero-Aquaponic tower, grow towers working right now. But the water comes up through this pipe and into this garbage can. Here we have a tomato growing out of the side of it, and these are little cups that are been siliconed into the garbage can, which we're going to call a grow tower. And we've heated up this hole that we cut in, and then we bent it at a slightly upward angle so you can see that the plant's growing, but we don't want the water to run out of the system. And here's another little pepper plant growing over here, but I wanted to show you the inside. And here we have the lid, which we usually keep snapped down so it's watertight, or fairly watertight. And this is the inside, which is really cool. You can see that the roots of the plants has a nice level of moisture on them. Inside this can, it stays nice and wet. You can see how the water splashes as it hits the wall of the tower and disperses into finer droplets. It's just a pipe. We just drilled some very, very small holes, and it just sprays out. I tried using some sprinkler heads, but the pond pump that I'm using doesn't have enough pressure. Down there at the bottom you can see the return line, which is taking it back to the fish tank. And that water coming out is highly oxygenated because it's just absorbing all this oxygen as it spritzes through this can. So we're getting a lot of biological action going on inside the tower. Everything seems to be growing well. And this is just the beginning. We're going to be adding some more, and then eventually we'll be adding the rest of these other three, and each of the towers will have about 20 spots in each can for vegetables to be growing. And then we'll also have some cages around the grow towers to be able to hold up the plants that will be growing out of them. So we'll update you as we make progress on the system. Thanks for watching.